Okay, I'm going to show you how to apply this using the Hinge method, and I'm going to apply a top layer using the wet method. First you want to figure out where you want your decal, place it there. After it's all lined up, you tape both sides to hold it into place. I like to squeegee it out so it's nice and flat against the surface, and then apply some masking tape all the way across to hold it into place. Then you can remove one side and then peel the vinyl backing off. Nice and slow, make sure it all sticks to the transfer tape. And then I like to just tear it off. Some people use scissors. And then apply half the graphic. Evenly across. And you remove your piece of masking tape. And then fold it over. Remove the other half. And then squeegee this side, nice and even all the way across. Just go back over it, make sure it's on there really good. And then peel the transfer tape. When you peel it off, you don't want to pull up, you want to pull back like this. And then that'll leave your graphic there. And there it is. Now this piece is going to go right on top here, so this A will fit right inside of this one. So what we'll do is we'll remove the backing. I always flip it over, I find it easier to remove the backing from the vinyl rather than the vinyl and the transfer tape from the backing. Alright, now this is just a solution of a couple drops of dish soap and water, and you just want to spray it, a lot of it all over. Spray a lot on here, and then what this does is allows you to place the vinyl down and be able to pick it back up without it sticking. So you can line it up and move it around until you find exactly where it wants to be. And as you can see through the paper transfer tape once it's wet. And once you have it where you want it, that looks good. You just squeegee out all the water from behind it. The wet method will help eliminate bubbles as well. You'll find that you'll get hardly any, if any at all. Make sure all that water is back out. And just peel this away. Oop, didn't get all the water out of there. That's okay. You take your squeegee with your felt edge. Let's fix that. down. and it's good to go.